我渴望创新，探索行业，辨识需求，去伪存真。我渴望更多创新，追寻信念，坚守内核，打破边界。天马行空，无畏无惧。是的，我渴望更多创新，珍惜差异，激发潜能，创造客户价值，承载一家全球化愿景。世界差异共生，竞逐演变的路，永不止步。
Distinguished leaders, guests, dear media friends, and our online audience through our platform, good morning. Welcome to the launching ceremony of Connecting China and Europe and Smart Future YIZUMI 2020 Online Open Week. I am the moderator today, Lao Xingfeng from the brand unit of YIZUMI. First of all, on behalf of YIZUMI, I would like to welcome our friends to visit our Wujiang factory and also witness the launching ceremony of the series of the activities of our 2020 Online Open Week. During this Open Week, I think we've just visited and witnessed the 10-star solutions of YIZUMI's injection molding technologies, and we are now also launching our online global showroom. So pick up your phone and you can have a face-to-face visit to our exhibiting machineries, visit our factories, and listen to the technology sharing of our Chinese and overseas experts. So first of all, I would like to introduce our guests today. They are Mr. Zheng Ronghui, CEO and Managing Director of Guangdong YIZUMI Precision Machinery Company Limited. Mr. Zhang Tao, Deputy Managing Director and General Manager of Injection Machinery Department of Guangdong YIZUMI Precision Machinery Company Limited. Mr. Li Donghai, Deputy General Manager of Injection Machinery Department of YIZUMI. We also like to welcome department leaders of Wujiang Economic Development Zone and directors and leaders from our injection molding sales department, two-plate machine brand department and administration and the general offices. We also welcome our media friends. They are from Suzhou Television Station, Suzhou Daily, Wujiang TV, Wujiang Daily, International Plastic News, CPRJ, PT, JF Plastics, Plastics Industry, Automotive and Auto Parts, 21ChinaPlastic.com, Real Consulting Group. I would like to welcome our editors and journalists on behalf of the organizer. Thank you very much for your participation. First, I would like to invite Mr. Zheng Ronghui, CEO of Guangdong YIZUMI Precision Machinery Company Limited, to deliver the remarks. Dear friends from the media, good morning, everyone. It was very difficult for this year, and I think this is the first time that I've met with my dear media friends. It was very difficult for all of you to find your time to come to our event. So on behalf of YIZUMI, I would like to say thank you again. 2020 is a particularly unsettled year with the worldwide spread of COVID-19 and the unpredictable global pattern and also the instability of the geopolitical situations. These all bring unprecedented challenges and opportunities to our machinery industries and equipment industry. But as I said, where there are opportunities, where there are challenges, there are opportunities. So it's more important for us how to rise to these challenges. For YIZUMI, there are indeed many challenges and adjustments that we have to face. But put challenges aside, I think we are still working together to adhere to our strategy, which is for YIZUMI to be the industry's best cost-effective solution provider with leading technology. And this has not changed, and we will continue to march towards that direction. We will also insist on production, innovation, operation upgrade, and global operation. And also, we will continue to work towards R&D innovation, digitalization, lean production, and global layout. And we've invested actually in these fields and maintain a very strong development momentum. For example, we have realized assembly line production. For example, in the Shunde factory, we have achieved the assembly line production, and we really welcome you to visit our Guangdong headquarters in Shunde. This actually assembly line can achieve like 80% of the mixed compound production of injection moldings over 350 tons. So we hope that can also reduce the production time in 10 to 20 minutes. We also purchased a new plot in India, and we built a new factory there. And we expect to complete it and start production in the mid of 2022. And also, with some disputes between China and India, we'll still wait and to see the future of this India investment. And also, YIZUMI Germany sales service company was registered and established in Germany, providing services and technical support to agents and their customers in the German market and other European countries. All the action we have taken are based on long-term thinking, long-term strategic deployment, and long-term resource investment. Like today's online open week in Wujiang factory, it's also an important milestone for us to advance our strategic goals. The theme of this event is Connecting China and Europe for a Smart Future. I think it's very clear that since 2017, we have proposed this idea of connecting China and Europe. And also in 2020, we will also hold a YIZUMI Connect event. As we all know that this year, the situation does not allow us to do too large offline activities. And that's why we transform this event into an online or cloud event. And also for the smart future, I think that in the past year, we did a lot of innovation on the digitalization of the factory and also investing in that. Later, my colleague will also introduce on that end. During this Open Week event, you will see a showcase of 13 new sets of system solutions. At the same time, we also pay attention to the trend of the industrial automation and the digital transformation. You will see that we have launched an industry leading solution for bumper automation integration, which is over 3,200 tons. As my colleague said, that we can finish the molding in 5 minutes. So the shift of the molds will only take 5 minutes. And we know that this rapid change of the mold is a very important KPI for automation production, especially for a very complicated machine part like a bumper. So we can do a shift of mold in 5 minutes. And also this will also launch what we call Eplus intelligent platform, which is based on industrial interconnection, cloud computing, and big data technologies. This Open Week is a demonstration of our efforts towards the strategic goal. We do not only provide the host equipment, but also cover the overall solutions, such as major machineries, process application, automation, molding, intelligent service, and the production environment. So, our media friends ask why we choose to hold the event in Wujiang factory. Let me introduce why. I think the factory was put into use in 2013, mainly for the production of robot automation systems. Now in 2018, in order to fully meet the needs of the domestic automotive industry, in 2018, the whole dual platen injection molding machineries were moved from Shunde to Wujiang. It can be said that this relocation does not only make Wujiang factory the production center and the technical engine of YIZUMI's dual platen machine, and also helped to take the advanced process application technologies in Europe to bring it to our Eastern China and Northern China customers. Through 2 years of work, from 2018 to 2020, the operation effect of Wujiang factory has been continuously improved. So in 2019, 5 to 4,500 tons larger scale two-blade inkjet molding machinery with clamping force achieved more than 30% sales growth. This year, the spread of the epidemic has resulted in the decline of the stability of overseas supply chain, especially in the automotive industry. And also, we are actually seeing the consolidation of the international supply chains. But I think that this means the localization of auto parts also is expected to further accelerate. And also, facing this new round of challenges of upgrade in terms of plastic supply, we actually choose to hold the online Open Week in Wujiang factory, hoping to provide our customers with technologically advanced injection molding system solutions and drive our digital transformation. We are already at the end of Q3 of 2020. As mentioned earlier, we are confronted with unprecedented challenges as well as opportunities. In Q4, even looking into the next 2 or 3 years, YIZUMI is still very confident in our future development. We are confident to overcome these difficulties. We hope that through the activities of this Open Week, we will further integrate the strength in injection molding, eco-industrial chain, integrate global high-quality resources, and fight against challenges and win opportunities with our global customers. Finally, on behalf of YIZUMI Company, I would like to thank all our media friends again for coming and wish today's press conference a complete success. Thank you. Thank you very much for Mr. Chen. As we know that we're going to have our launching ceremony. I would also like to invite Mr. Zhang Tao, Deputy MD and General Manager of Injection Machineries of YIZUMI, Mr. Li Donghai, Deputy General Manager of YIZUMI's Injection Department, and also Shi Zhongyu and Peng Wei, Sales Director of YIZUMI's Injection Molding Business Unit on the stage. I will now invite you to jointly launch the online open week. So put your hands on the big screen. Let's count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We now officially launch the 2020 YIZUMI Online Open Week. Thank you very much. Please stay on the stage for a group photo. Face to the camera. Let's take the photo. Thank you very much. Please kindly return to your seats. Next, we'll have our speeches. First, I would like to invite Mr. Zhang Tao, Deputy Managing Director and General Manager of the Injection Machines Business Unit of YIZUMI. He will introduce our 3-year development strategy of our injection machine business unit. Welcome, Mr. Zhang.
Dear friends from media, good morning. I want to use this opportunity to introduce to you the Injection Molding Machine Division 3-year development strategy. Just as Mr. Chen has said, this year is a very special year. So this year, we had less communication with our media, so this is the first time that we have a formal communication with you, because almost all the exhibitions in China and abroad has been cancelled. So today's event, the opening event, was originally planned to happen at the same time as the China Plus, but due to the pandemic, we have delayed this one. But thanks to this opportunity, I want to introduce to you the 3-year development strategy of the Injection Molding Machine Division. So from the macro perspective, our strategy has 3 parts. First, product strategy. Second, globalization. Third, operation. The implementation of these 3 strategies will underpin our goal to become the industry's best cost-effective solution provider in the industry. So first of all, I'm going to talk to you about the data of our division. So this slide has the data that reflects our current situation in the market. So in 2019, the sales volume of our injection molding machines exceeded 1.4 billion RMB yuan. So this makes us, when it comes to comprehensive competitiveness, rank number 2 in China's industries. Now we have already sold 48,000 machines to our customers. They are in operation now. And also in our R&D team, we have more than 120 people. They are based in China and also across the world. So this kind of scale of the R&D team in the injection industry is a relatively big one, and we're continuing investing in the R&D. According to our estimate in 2019, our R&D fund in 2019 exceeded 80 million RMB yuan, and we are ranking very top in the industry in terms of R&D investment. And of course, we have invested in different plants, and our capacity has been increasing. And currently, our single month injection molding machine can generate 1,000 units every month. So, as you may know that in the industry, we are now ranking number 2 when it comes to monthly capacity. And even if you look at the whole world, we are also ranking at number 2. I think that 1,000 is a threshold that makes your company a very big one. So this means that our market share in the world is also increasing steadily. So we are now ranking on the top level in terms of our monthly capacity. And also we have set up our 3 to 5 years of strategy plans. So internally, we hope that by 2022, the target of the sales volume of the injection molding machine can reach 2.5 billion yuan. So this is a very simple data of my department. Next, I'm going to give you our detailed introduction into our 3 strategies. First strategy is the product strategy. For example, we have the single unit machineries, the wholesale machinery solution, and also the product process solutions. So in the last couple of years, we have been adjusting our strategy on and off. So we hope that we can transform ourselves to become a whole solution provider instead of a single unit provider. So we are now working towards that goal. And if you can look at our integrated solution or whole solution, we can provide you with the product, mold, machines, peripheral automation, and product environment. Of course, this based upon our clients' demand, which means that we will customize our solutions for our customers based upon their demand. So when it comes to product itself, in the past and also in the future, we are trying to create a product platform, a product structure. So the diagram that you see on this slide is the one that we have been planned in the last couple of years. So you can see that the structure of this platform, of this plan, includes the bottom technology platform, and when it goes up, you can see the product platforms, basic models on product lines, and most of the product lines we have launched in the market are the most complete in the market, including the 1-plate and 2-plate and fully electric machines. So this means that our product range can satisfy different market demand from different customer industries. So according to our self-evaluation, we believe we can satisfy our customers with their 95% of demand. So just as you know from our display room, that this year we have launched our newly patented machine of 4,000 tons machinery. But this kind of machine is not the lion's share of the market. So it only accounts for a very small percentage of the market share. So I think that below the 4,000 machineries, I think we can satisfy the market for 90%, 95% of their demand. In the future, we are going to work more on the modularization, standardization, and performance elevation of some of our products. But of course, some of those products are still in the pipeline. They have not been fully completed. So, for example, the multi-components machines, we only can say that we have finished the 1-plate multi-component machinery, and the 2-plate multi-component machinery is still in the incubation period. So in the future, we're going to work more on the 2-plate multi-component machinery work. So this is the first time that we introduce the electric technology into the multi-component platform. So in the future, when our customer increase the demand for our multi-component products, we believe that the fully electric or the hybrid electric multi-component products will be the future trend. So the current product structure and also the strategy, we believe that we will continue to enrich our product lines to further satisfy customers' demand. And in addition to that, we have been working very hard to enhance our level of technology and process. So in recent years, we have been investing a big amount of money in the new technologies and new process. Some of those new projects, especially after 2017, have already been rolled out or displayed to the market, to our customers. So the one that I show you now are some of those new technologies and process I want to highlight today. For example, the microfoaming injection molding, the long fiber direct injection molding technology, or the polyurethane reaction injection molding integrated solution, as well as the DCM direct compounding injection molding solution. So these four solutions, they are the part of our new technologies and process. So in the future, we believe we're going to invest more in our new technology and the process, and hope that our process can actually shorten the distance or the gap between the counterparts in foreign countries. And also we hope that by introducing those new technology and process, we can provide more cost-benefit solutions for our customers. So at the same time, we have also been actively investing and deploying intelligent manufacturing solutions. For example, how can we make our machines more smart? How can we make our machines digitalized? And we have already planned or settled our plan in terms of our structure. So in this year, we have been focusing attention on the smart machine solution. For example, we have developed some functional models for the smart machines. And also we have introduced some of the closed-loop control technology, smart control technologies. We believe that the basic machine control technology will be fully reflected and fully integrated into our new future products, and they will become the highlights of our products in the future. So in terms of our factory and our ECMS and also EMES technology will be introduced in the future. So this means that our factory will become more smart, will become more intelligent in the future. But this part I will leave to my colleague to talk to you more. So we believe that innovation is the driving force of our company's growth. And in our headquarters, we are now building up the Global Innovation Center. So if everything goes to the plan, this innovation center will be put into use in 2021. So this innovation platform will be responsible for the testing and innovation of our new process and new technology. And we believe that this center will underpin our future innovation and long-term growth. The second part is our globalization strategy. The injection machine industry has been experienced lots of ups and downs in the foreign countries. China's injection machinery industry actually has been accelerating itself to globalize itself. So as a leading player in China's injection machinery industry, we believe that globalization is also one part of our strategy. In the past several years, we have been focusing a lot of our attentions in deploying our globalization footsteps. So this map tells you a basic framework of our global operation. As you can see that this is the network of our China and global business. And you can see that you can see the major production lines and also factories across the whole world. So in our headquarters, we have 3 factories, and also another 3 factories are under construction now. And also, Wujiang is the 2-platen machinery plant. And also in India, we have another assembly plant. In the States, in Germany, in Vietnam, and also Brazil, we have also deployed our marketing and service center. So in the future, in Thailand, Mexico, and other important markets, we're going to invest more subsidiary companies in those places. And we believe that in the future, our network can cover almost every part of the world so as to serve our global customers. So the sales network of YIZUMI has already covered 70 or more than 70 countries across the world. So you can say that our network is already relatively wide. And also in 40 countries, we have already set up our subsidiaries and also hired our agencies. So we believe that we can quickly respond to the demand of our major customers in those major markets. So this is the framework of our domestic operation. This is the Wujiang factory where we are currently located. So you can see that with the workshop area of about 26,000 square millimeters, we have reallocated our 2-platen machinery to Wujiang factory. Because this is the area where automotive industries, big tickets appliances industry are concentrated. We believe that by locating our machinery here, we can connect better to our customers and provide better services to them. So in this factory, we are not in full capacity yet. So we relocated here in 2018. And after that, our capacity was growing steadily. So we believe that according to our plan, we can have at most 500 million worth of capacity. And also, we are now negotiating the surrounding plants so that they can satisfy our future expansion.
This is our overseas operation. In terms of production platforms, at the beginning of this year, we've purchased an area of 8,775 square meters of land in India. Because of the COVID-19, we delayed the construction. We expected to start the construction of this factory in Q4 this year for the phase 1 project. Upon completion, it will be the production center for India, which will also cover our Africa business. And also in terms of the service system, we have also extended our service systems throughout the world, following the steps of our production operations. In China and foreign countries, we've established a very comprehensive customer service system, including our business and technical support. Currently, our daily outbound rate of parts in the HQ is over 96%. So it's very fast to respond to the need of our customers. So part 3, our operation strategy. In the past few years, on top of investment of resources in R&D to develop the new technologies and the new products, we also invested to improve our operation efficiency. Starting in 2018, in our Wuxia factory, we introduced the lean manufacturing model. In the past 2 to 3 years, in terms of lean manufacturing system building, and also modularization capacities, we achieve a lot of progress. What you are seeing now is our different sections of our lean manufacturings. For example, assembly from decentralized assembly to line assembly to assembly line transformation, and also this general assembly line for the production capacities of machineries under 320 tons of clamping force will increase 50% by the end. Has increased 50% by the end of August. So you can see the transformation of our manufacturing contributed to the improvement of operation efficiency, and also this lean manufacturing contribute to the improvement of employees' skill sets. You know, if you know about the assembly line, then its division of labor, of steps are very, very comprehensive and delicate. So this really helps our employees' skills and skill sets to be upgraded, and also really help to cultivate high-level employee team. Visualization and also quality building. This helped to improve the transparency of our production and the final quality of our finished products. In terms of quality management, and also through the introduction of lean manufacturing, we continue to improve our qualification rate. In the past few years, our parts qualification rates has been improved steadily, and our final products at the customer's end, the fault rate continues to fall. You can see the blue line is the 2020 latest data. So on the top, it's the 2018 and 2019 fault rate. So you can see that the entire curve went down with the continuous deepening of our lean manufacture. I think that our fault rate will continue to move towards zero fault. So this is our 3-year strategy for the year, our 3-year strategy. So thank you for your listening. Thank you for the introduction of Mr. Zhang. We know that with the iteration of the technologies, through the intelligentization and the digitalization to accelerate the transformation and upgrade of the manufacturing industry is inevitable. YIZUMI is also working towards that path. Next, I would like to invite Mr. Huang Ming, manager for the mass project of YIZUMI's Smart Connection Department. He will introduce Eplus Smart Platform. Hi, my name is Huang Ming. I am from YIZUMI's mass project. I will now introduce Eplus Smart Platform. So, YIZUMI's whole new positioning. Maybe previously we only focused on the host machine and improvement, performance, but we found that it's far from meeting the demand of the customers. In the past few years, starting from the customers and to the automation, to the intelligentization of the peripherals and automation and the production environment, we continue to deliver integrated solutions to our customer. And we are committed to become with the best cost-effective solution provider in the industry. This is our strategic positioning. So to become industry's best cost-effective solution provider, we are looking at 4 directions, which is smart machine, smart production cell, smart production, smart service. Smart machine, very straightforward. We came from a machinery background, so we will improve the smart level of our machine. Smart production cell, because when our machine placed at the production site of our customers. So it has to become part of the entire production unit. So we want to also deliver smart production cell and also a smart service. We have to provide a smart service to make sure that our machine work at the production site. And a smart production, because we provide the core production equipment, so our production efficiency will directly impact on our customers' production. That's why we have to provide a smart solution to help our customers to optimize the cost and increase the efficiency. So what we do is we have this what we call a digital core. So from this IIC's chart, we can see that on the left is our product, our machine. From design to production to delivery, so in the middle, it's a core of equipment. And this is a customer core. So the customers use our machine, and then they take orders, then formulate the production plan, then they purchase the materials and the supplies, and they use our machines to produce. So then our machine continue to produce products as well as generated a lot of data. And this data, what's the use of these data? You can see that for our customers, this data can help to direct the improvement efficiency of the customer. But these data for YIZUMI, it can help us to improve our service level and make sure that we provide more precise service to our customers to reduce the downtime of the machine at the production site. Then, if also vice versa, it can backfeed to our product design. We can see that all of these happens around one center, which is data. Data allow us to do a lot of interesting things. So, in terms of industrial internet, what we do, we launched our YIZUMI Industrial Internet Platform, or E-Platform. So we adapt cloud computing, big data, IoT technologies, 5G, and other new generations of ICT technologies, even include accentuated reality, VR technologies, to achieve our 4 strategic directions: smart machine, smart production cell, smart production, smart service. Our Eplus Platform comes with a lot of E. E represents YIZUMI. I presents a lot of directions like intelligent, internet, industry, injection, insight. We have insight into our business and continuous innovation as well as improvement. So we have so many I's. So we combine Y plus I, which comes with E plus platform. And also plus means we always want to have added value plus on the platform to achieve joint development and joint growth with our customer. This is the architecture of our platform, and we want to benchmark our platform as the industrial internet platform benchmark in vertical industries. We have equipment trading, we have smart manufacturing, smart service, and the third-party ecology on this platform. And this platform supports a lot of applications, including ongoing applications and future applications. We're now currently focusing on smart manufacturing and smart service. We've already delivered applications like ECMS, EMS, and also we are going to launch like smart resources, smart energy, mode management, etc. We will also have core team of 50 employees with key members from Haier, Microsoft, Ericsson, Media Cloud, SIE, Bright Dream Robotics, and other enterprises. Our phased achievements. We did Eplus AR 5G digital twin. You can see on the right hand, what's this? It's adaptation of 5G plus AR technology to bring the manufacturing and the testing centers in Wusha and Shunde and put them in one-to-one modeling. And with 5G support, then upload data into the cloud through AR technologies and kind of replicate or simulate. So it become a twin of the actual situation. So what's the advantage of it? That means our global customers using your cell phone, using your smartphone apps, you can see the performance, the real-time situation of the equipment, and then you can basically place the order online. For our frontline employees, they can use this digital twin technologies to showcase our products. Our frontline sales, when they want to describe the selling point of a machine, it's actually quite difficult. But with this digital twin plus AR technologies, it's more visualized and more vivid and more clear. And for customers themselves, they can use this accentuated reality technologies to have a preview of how the machine will be located in their production site.
So the second part is around the manufacturing executions. We have produced two systems. The first is ECMS. The second is the EMES system. So the system actually very simple in terms of its usage. The customers can, with one press of the button, can see the state of this machine, of their machines. So that's the reason why we call this system as the Yidiantong in Chinese. The second system is the EMES, Smart Manufacturing and Execution Systems. So this system actually can connect different workshops and create a network so that customers can monitor and manage their multiple workshops, and then we can provide them with services. So these are the two current systems we have built and rolled out. So this is our system interface. As you can see that in our display room and also in the back part of this conference room, you can experience those displays and system by yourself if you're interested. So this slide tells you how many customers we have been serving on our Eplus platforms. So our platform is a customized platform for different customers from different industries. For example, one of our clients is from the power industry, from the state grid. So this is a client of a high-pressure tower manufacturer. So they're using this kind of equipment or technology to transfer electricity from one place to Hunan. So we can encode their products to help them to track the products. For example, we can track the temperature, to also track the lapse of the time for the electricity transfer, so that we can track those data and then find those data and follow those data. And also, as you know, that YIZUMI is also a manufacturer of die casting machines. One of our major customers is from the 5G industries. So as you know that the magnesium, the aluminum shell of the base of the 5G base needs our technology, needs die casting to manufacture. So one of our customers is Zhongxing and also Huawei. So they are the major user of our platform. And also in the new energy industries, we have car manufacturers who are using our systems. Another very big application is the rail transportation. As you know that in the high-speed rail, there is a slipper under each rail. That slipper is used to cushion the buffering effect. So this slipper requires very high quality to make sure that the high-speed rail can have very safety functioning for continuous time. So our system is used by this company to track the quality and use of the slippers under the high-speed rail. And also in the medical industries, especially in recently as the pandemic is breaking out, bio companies are also using our platform to track their products. And also in other industries such as the white ticket appliances and other appliances industry, they are also embarking on our platform. This is the basic sharing of my presentation. Thank you so much. Yes. So if you want to have more ideas of our open week, and you can scan the QR code on our big display. And this is the end of this conference and forum, and I really want to express my thanks to all your participation, and also thank you all for attending in person here and or online, and see you next time.